Hey there, culinary crusaders and snack sleuths. Have you ever pondered if gnawing on carrots could magically grant you the eyes of a nocturnal superhero, peering into the dark like some kind of veggie-powered vigilante? Or maybe, just maybe, you've been told that leaping into the deep blue sea, or your neighbor's pool, right after gobbling up a feast turns you into a human floaty, bobbing along with the waves. Well, gear up, because we're about to embark on a gustatory adventure into the wild, wacky world of nutrition folklore. Fasten your napkins, prep your taste buds, and let's crank up the oven of inquiry as we roast these myths to a crisp, serving up a platter of facts seasoned with a pinch of humor and a dollop of wisdom. We're not just skimming the surface like a hastily spread layer of low-fat butter. Oh no, we're diving fork first into the meaty depths of dietary do's and don'ts. But wait, there's more. As we carve through the thickets of food fiction, we'll also sprinkle in some tasty tidbits of truth. Because who doesn't love a side of knowledge with their main course of myth-busting? So, buckle up, Buttercup, and prepare your palate for a flavor-filled journey through the labyrinth of legumes, the forest of fruits, and the vast valleys of veggies. Will carrots catapult you into superhero status? Is a post-pizza plunge a surefire way to sink rather than swim? Keep your spoons at the ready and your forks in formation, because we're about to unravel these mysteries and more. Spoiler alert. This culinary quest is peppered with surprises, seasoned with science, and absolutely bursting with bites of enlightenment. Let's chew our way to clarity and feast on the facts. It's going to be a mouth-watering journey through the deliciously twisted tales of nutrition myths. Get ready for a smorgasbord of revelations that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your noggin. Myth 8. All calories are created equal. And now to the grand finale, the calorie conundrum. Imagine if all calories were actors in a play. Some would be leading heroes, providing energy and nutrients, while others might be mere extras, offering little beyond empty energy. It's not just the number of calories that matters, but the role they play in your body's story. A balanced cast of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates ensures a blockbuster performance for your health. Myth 7. Foods labeled natural are straight from Mother Nature's kitchen. Foods whispering sweet nothings of natural origins woo you with promises of purity. But beware, for the term natural is a siren's call, unregulated and open to interpretation. Instead of being lured by labels, seek out the true treasures of the earth, whole, unprocessed foods that need no claim to fame other than their inherent goodness. Myth 6. A protein shake is the holy grail post-workout protein shakes, the knights of the fitness realm, promise to protect and rebuild your muscles after a hard battle in the gym. But don't be so quick to forsake the feast. Whole foods, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, can also fortify your body's defenses. Imagine a knight's table laden with grilled chicken, quinoa, and leafy greens. A truly noble post-workout meal. Myth 5. High fructose corn. Syrup is the Darth Vader of sweeteners. High fructose corn syrup lurks in the shadows of many processed foods, often cast as the villain in our dietary saga. While it's true that too much of any sugar can lead to a disturbance in the force, sea salt is the gourmet cousin of regular salt. Instead of falling to the dark side, light your way with natural sugars from fruits, honey, or maple syrup, and let the force of moderation be with you. Myth 4. Sea salt is the gourmet cousin of regular salt. Sea salt, with its exotic allure and artisanal crunch, seems to sprinkle a gourmet touch on any dish. But strip away the fancy packaging, and it shares the same DNA as its humble cousin, table salt. Both can lead you down the salty path to high blood pressure if not used in moderation. The gourmet experience you seek? Try experimenting with herbs and spices, adding flavor without the pressure. Myth 3. Going paleo turns you into a caveman superhero. The paleo diet, with its call to return to the eating habits of our ancestors, promises strength and health. But even cavemen knew the value of a balanced diet. Relying too heavily on any single way of eating can leave gaps in your nutrition cape. Instead of wielding a club in the hunt for the perfect diet, gather a basket of varied and colorful fruits, vegetables, and grains. Diversity in your diet is the real superhero. Myth 2. Energy drinks are a healthier buzz than soda. Energy drinks stride onto the scene, capes fluttering, claiming to save the day with their vitality-boosting powers. But beneath the cape lies a concoction brimming with caffeine and sugar, ready to jolt your heart rate into the stratosphere. Imagine a roller coaster that only goes up, thrilling but hardly sustainable. The superhero drink you're looking for? A smoothie made with real fruits and a splash of yogurt for a truly invigorating lift. Myth 1. Diet sodas keep you slim. Pop the lid on this fizzy myth, and what do we find? Diet sodas sparkling with the promise of 0 calories seem like a Weight Watcher's dream. But here's the twist. While they skip the sugar, they dance with artificial sweeteners that can tango with your taste buds and potentially lead you to crave more sweets. It's like being promised a treasure chest but finding it filled with fool's gold. The real treasure? Water, nature's own elixir, or perhaps a juicy, fresh-squeezed orange juice, vitamin-packed and sweet. And there we have it, folks. We've come to the end of our Epicurean expedition, slicing through the dense jungle of nutrition myths with the precision of a chef's knife. What's the takeaway from our adventure? Well, it turns out the world of food isn't just a simple black and white cookie. It's more like a gigantic, colorful, sprinkle-covered, multi-layered cake. We've learned that making choices about what to munch on isn't about following a strict set of rules like some kind of diet dictator. Nope. It's about painting your plate with the vibrant colors of different foods, adding a dash of wisdom and a heaping helping of balance. Remember, the yummiest diet is not the one that makes you feel like you're in food jail, but the one that you actually enjoy, can stick with, and makes you do a little happy dance in your kitchen. So, as we wrap up this culinary crusade, let's not forget, myths might be fun to chew on, but it's the truth that really nourishes us. Keep questioning, keep tasting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the feast of life. No mythical beasts or magical potions needed, just a hearty appetite for exploration and a keen sense of culinary curiosity. Thanks for tagging along on this flavor-filled frolic through the whimsical world of food facts and fiction. Until next time, keep your forks ready, your minds open, and your snacks healthy. Who knows what tasty truths we'll uncover next? Stay hungry for knowledge, my friends, and remember, in the banquet of life, the most satisfying dish is always served with a side of laughter. Bon appétit.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.